Hey guys, so I want to teach you the process of doing your payment and doing your admin fee. So when you make your Easy1Up account, after you've done that, you're going to go over to products and click on whichever one you're planning to purchase. So for example, I'm not at the 2K level yet, but if I wanted to upgrade to, let's say, the $500 one, it would show my sponsor and it would show the types of payment methods. Now, most of us do PayPal, so I would simply just click on the PayPal link for that level. So if I wanted to upgrade to the $500 level, I would simply click that link, and it's going to take me to her PayPal account so I can pay for that level. As you can see, it has the 500 up there. Once you've done that, you need to come back to this same page. So you need to come back into your account and you need to go over to products again, and it'll still say it's locked, and you need to click on the product that you just purchased, and it's going to take you to this page again, and you need to scroll down a little further where it says administration, and you need to pay with a debit or credit card. I don't believe you can do the PayPal credit for the admin fee as well, so you have to pay that as a separate payment. So go ahead and do that part. So that's what goes to the company, and this is what gets paid to your sponsor for your training level. So after you've paid that administration fee, make sure to tell your sponsor that you're good and you've paid for it, because then we as sponsors have to officially unlock your level, which we do in our own back office. So that's how the process of the payments work. So it's just separate. The administration fee is separate just because that goes to the company and the actual level goes to your sponsor. So now you know how to do that, and you can definitely send this video to other people when they're doing their payments for you.